commercial fishing isn't simple. It takes long hours, tough conditions, and skilled crews to bring the catch safely to shore. In the town of Grindavik, Vísir has been part of this tradition since 1980. Their goal has always been the same: deliver fresh, responsibly caught Icelandic fish to people all over the world. Every fillet, every portion goes through a process that demands efficiency, reliability, and above all, hygiene. Since 2016, Habasit belts have helped Vísir keep operations running smoothly, even in demanding conditions. It started with modular belts on weighing and conveying lines, strong, hygienic, and easy to maintain, a simple change that made a big difference. A year later, Vísir upgraded to Cleandrive belts. Their smooth surface makes cleaning quicker, and reinforced cords mean less stretching and longer life. With results like that, Cleandrive was soon added to trimming and grading lines. And it doesn't stop there. Habasit solutions also support weighing, scanning, and box conveyors, helping every step of production flow reliably. The benefits were clear: faster cleaning, less water, and better hygiene across the board. From ocean to plate, this partnership proves that tradition and innovation can work side by side.